Okay, so we're dealing with a 2011 Frontier, and the deal is when we got this, we got a no-start situation. We had very limited information on anything that was done to it, and we got a bunch of codes. We got the P1, 2, actually I think there's 16 codes here, to be honest with you. I think we had 16 engine codes. Yeah, 16, and then we had a couple of different codes, and then we have this IPDM right there, that fault, and that is this bugger right here. And on my last video we had opened it up and I showed you that the board was completely messed up on it. It was burned. You can look back at the other video and see that. And then this is the codes that we got from it. So after we had changed that board, we had now gotten ourselves down to 4 fault codes. And the 4 fault codes are a P1800, a P0222, 0213, 2135, a C1163, and a C1131. Engine single, steering angle single, throttle position, and then this VIAS solenoid valve bank 1. What's interesting is, from what I believe, just like we got rid of the other codes when we had changed this, I believe that we are going to get rid of the rest of the codes and have a good running vehicle when we change the throttle position sensor. And that's what we're going to do today. And we do have, at this point, when we did change this, we now have a vehicle that starts, but it doesn't run right, as you can hear. And we had a no start before. You turn the key, when that baby was not in there, it didn't do nothing. Not a click, nothing. Alright, and what we did, I'm not going to put you through everything because that would be a little too much. Where the heck is the hood release in here? There you go. What we did is we replaced just simply this unit here. And that was a real simple replacement. I'm not going to put you through it because all you had to do was unplug the old one and plug the new one in. And it sits under the box in here. I'll show you where it sits. If you're having a similar problem, it'd be very easy for you to figure it out. Sorry about all the camera thing, but I'm holding my old camera. And but it went through a lot in this vehicle. I will tell you, at one point, even the camshaft position sensor was changed. But there's the new board all sitting in there. All we had to do was plug in the cables and voila, that was it. So today we're going to change this puppy. We ordered it up and we're waiting for a new one to come in. We're going to go get it. We're going to change it, and I believe that it's actually going to get rid of not only the code for this, but the code for this is on too. And there's an ABS code, and we have a traction control. And the way I understand it is, what happens is that this puppy right here is not controlled anymore by, your gas pedal pushing it out. What it does is the computer talks to the sensor, and that decides how much gas it's going to get. And what it does is, this baby, well, here's the basic understanding of it. When this senses how much gas it needs, or how much air it needs, or whatever the case is, and that's why this puppy back here is not performing right, because the computer's getting bad readings. So it's also sent me a traction control light. It sent me a light for this. And I think that when we fix this TPS, it is going to solve all of those. It's going to solve the issue with this. It's going to solve every issue that we have, including an ABS brake light, because the computer even tells the TPS even tells the brakes how to apply. So, I mean, it's all, this is all the new game of electronics. So good luck, and we'll see you soon.